In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fold3 viewer to explore and annotate records. When you add an annotation to any Fold3 record, it becomes searchable on the site. It also allows you to create a link that can be shared with anyone, even those who are not members of Fold3. This is a Revolutionary War pension file for my 6th great-grandfather, William McClure. This manuscript was written with quill and ink in 1847. Using these tools along the right margin, I can enlarge the document and adjust the contrast to make it easier to read. This record reveals some important details about this family, so I want to annotate it and share it. First, I'm going to click on the Annotate button. You'll see a text box appears, and I can highlight a specific portion of this record and adjust the parameters. Alternatively, I can click here to select the entire image. I'm going to drag this box around a portion of this record that names William's children, and then I'm going to select what type of annotation I want to add. You can see that I can add a name, comment, date, place, and I can add military annotations or other types. For example, I could select transcription and transcribe the entire page. I'd like to add a comment. Now I simply save my annotation. Along the left side of the screen, you can see my annotation and any other annotations that have previously been added. I can delete my annotation, edit it, or share it. I want to share this with my family, so I'm going to select Share. Here you can see that Fold3 has generated a link. I can copy and paste that link, or I can share this directly on social media. The viewer is a powerful tool to explore Fold3 records up close and in detail.